Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So in the spirit of Mother's Sunday, the folks at True VFX are doing something that I think is pretty amazing. So they're putting everything on their storefront for 50% off. This is going to be a limited time offer as this will be running from now till April the 2nd of 2025. So for those who like to get any of these things, you can simply come through and grab it. And to get any of this is by simply selecting that, clicking on add to cart, and then you can view this in your cart. Now, prior to checking out, if you'd like to get 50% of this, you need to click on continue to check out, and right here you need to enter the coupon code, and the coupon code for this is world50. This has to be in capital letters and there should be no space between the world and the 50. And once you have that done, you can click on apply coupon and you would have the coupon claimed. And you can notice that this drops by 50%. So if there's anything you like to get from their storefront, you can go ahead and check it out. They do have a ton of cool stuff, which includes the True Sky. They've got the Undergrowth, which is an asset library that has a lot of things. They've also got the True Asset, which also comes with a ton of assets. And these assets are both from the folks at Ambient CG and also Shared Textures. And there are tons of things that you can get out of this. You can also find some more cool stuff within their VDB Explosion Pack and also the True VDB Magic Pack. So if you like to get any of these things, you can come through and get them all for 50% off. At the same time, you can also consider checking out some of these other creators that are doing some percentage off, like Cassie Ship that's doing a 25% on Fluid Kit. We've also got the Lazy Forest version 2.0, which Cassie Ship has also put together. So if you like to get these ones, you can also come through and check them out. There's a few other things that are currently new. We're putting up a video where we'll talk about the brand new stuff that are now available. And some of the ones that I think is worth mentioning is the plant library, currently free. However, they are doing a $1 donation to the folks at Blender Foundation. So in case you like to support that, you can also come through and check it out. Some other nice to have add-ons which are currently available as well includes like the rain simulator from CG Matter. This is also pretty new, and CG Matter has actually created a couple of nice things recently. So there is also the Wicker Basket, we've got the Neat Node, the Real Location. All of these are right here and they're pretty new. The XYZ mapper is also another interesting one, and GeoSwarm version 2.0 is also available. So lots of nice things are now here, and for those who like to get all of these discounted ones, then you can simply come through and check them out. Again, coupon code alongside links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.